5 powerful drinks that boost blood flow after 60. After age 60, plain water alone can dilute electrolytes and fail to trigger proper vascular relaxation due to reduced plasma volume, lower nitric oxide production, and less flexible red blood cells, leading to poor circulation symptoms like cold extremities, heavy legs, dizziness, brain fog, and fatigue. 5 evidence-based hydration strategies improve blood flow significantly. 5. Himalayan pink salt and lemon water, 1/4 teaspoon genuine Himalayan pink salt, containing 84 trace minerals, plus juice from half a lemon in 16 ounces room temperature water, drunk first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. A 2023 study showed 23% improvement in peripheral blood flow within 2 weeks, with normalized blood pressure. Minerals aid vessel relaxation. Lemon vitamin C enhances mineral absorption, creating an isotonic solution matching blood plasma. 4. Apple cider vinegar and Ceylon cinnamon, 2 tablespoons raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar, with the mother, plus 1/4 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon in 12 ounces water, drunk 20 minutes before meals or exercise. Acetic acid increases nitric oxide by up to 34%, cinnamon compounds reduce vessel inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. A 12-week study found 31% higher blood flow velocity and 28% better arterial flexibility. 3. Beetroot and ginger, fresh beetroot juice, 1 medium beet blended/strained, or 2 tablespoons beetroot powder plus 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger in 12 ounces water, time 2 to 3 hours before activity or bedtime. Beetroot nitrates boost nitric oxide for up to 24 hours, ginger reduces platelet aggregation and inflammation by up to 45%. A 2023 Cleveland Clinic study showed 38% better brain blood flow and 10-point systolic/8-point diastolic blood pressure reduction after 4 weeks. 2. Cayenne pepper and turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon coconut oil/ghee in 12 ounces heated water, drunk slowly in the morning or before activity. Capsaicin triggers vasodilation, up to 50% blood flow increase within 20 minutes. Curcumin reduces inflammation and arterial stiffness. An 8-week study reported 42% less arterial stiffness, 35% better extremity flow, and 51% lower inflammatory markers. 1. Pomegranate and dark chocolate, 8 ounces pure pomegranate juice, no added sugar, mixed with 2 tablespoons raw cacao powder or 1 ounce 70% plus dark chocolate, plus a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon and black pepper, consumed mid-afternoon, 2 to 4 p.m., for circadian alignment. Pomegranate polyphenols increase nitric oxide by 230%, cacao flavonols repair vessels and reduce plaque. A 5-year Harvard study showed 47% better blood flow, 35% plaque reduction, and 8 to 10 years younger arterial age. Consistency yields compounding benefits. Most see initial improvements within days and maximum effects after 2 to 3 months. Consult a doctor before starting, especially with blood pressure medications, acid reflux, or sensitive stomachs.